Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. This video is going to be about ceiling fans. Putting together the ceiling fan is pretty simple. You just want to follow the instructions that come with it. Making sure you use the right tools and making sure your electric is compatible is the tricky part. Let's start with the box. If you are replacing a light fixture with a ceiling fan, you want to make sure that the electrical box can handle the extra weight of the ceiling fan. There will be some numbers on the inside of the box that tell you what weight it is rated for. If it's not rated for a fan, then you need to install a remodel fan rated box. We actually just showed you how to do that in our last video. If you're looking up at your box and there seems to be a lot more wires up there than you actually need, then we need to identify which one is the switch leg for the fan. It may be as easy as color to color, but you want to pay attention to what the fixture was wired to before you took it down. Maybe even take a picture of it so that you can go back to it as a reminder. If there are a lot of wires up there, or maybe you are seeing some weird connections like white wires with black wires, then you may be dealing with a switch loop. Watch our switch loop videos on how to deal with these. Now that you have identified the electrical box and switch leg, you can begin putting together the ceiling fan. Make sure that the power is off. Turn off the circuit breaker or switch that controls that light. A couple of tips for installing a ceiling fan. Don't build it on the ground and then hang it. If you do this, you run the risk of bending the fan blades, and if that happens, the fan's gonna wobble. Also, don't use a screw gun or drill driver when putting the blades on. Tighten them down with a screwdriver. If you screw the screws in too tight with a drill, then you could crack the blades or again cause it to wobble. Once you have everything assembled, turn the power back on and enjoy. If you need some more help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com and schedule a virtual electrician to help you out.